Hello everyone, my name is Nanda, and currently I'm taking course NCT course at Pringle University. Have you all ever played a game? I guess everyone has done it before at least once. Uh, Today I'm going to present about uh, the game development presentation. Next slide. Over the next slide, I'm going to discussing about this topic. Firstly, to prepare the game development, we should know what the video game is. Firstly, there's first video game, and then type of video game, and then the game management, a step of game development, and that's the last one. Why do I want to become a game developer? First of all, what is video game? Video games are the forms of electronic games which involve interaction with user interface and user input via joystick controller, motion sensoring device such as touch screens to generate visual feedback from the user on the display part. And most video games can be played on different devices like mobile phone, Android iOS, and console device such as PlayStation, Xbox, and personal computer PCs and laptops such as like that. Games are written in code, and 1,000 lines of code are required to make just one game for just one game. Next slide, we got why do we play games? When we are playing games we are no longer feel like we are in the real world or something, and we just diving into the virtual world with fantastic environments, leaving our stress and burden behind, and thus game can provide us satisfaction and enjoyment. Because we want to face challenges. That's one of the reasons we play games. We want to face challenges like beating the hard level of the game and killing the hardest ball with one hit point, and speedrunning the game to hit the wall record. And then the most fun part of the game is we make communities. And like we sometimes play with friends and have lots of fun and making online game chat and making lots of memory and leaving our landmark in the game, and that's the most fun part, just say. Next, types of video games. There are so many different video games existing. These are some of those games. Firstly, RPG games, also known as role-playing games. In this type of game, we have to play like the main character. We have to control the main character, protagonist of the game. And we have to assume that we are the part of the games world, fictional world, and story of the game was. Next, we got FPS games, first-person shooting games. In this type of game, you have to play in a first-person view. First-person view, like our eyes views, our eyes seen in real life. And next, we got MMORPGs, massive multiplayer online role-playing games. These type of games are similar to the first one, RPG games. But this time we got online player roaming around the world, open world of the game, and having lots of fun. Strategy games. In strategy games, we have to think like strategically, like conqueror of the army, like making plans like that to win the game. Simulation games. In simulation games, it's like we are studying our new life in a fictional world. Sports, according to the name, sports games are related to the sports. And like for example, football game like FIFA series can be played on the PlayStation. The last one is puzzle games. In this type of game, these type of games are brainstorming games. You have to think critically, solve problems to pass the level to win the game. Game makes money because game makes money. The global gaming market have reached to the USD 272.9 billion in 2024. It's really a huge number. Compared with the gaming industry and make more money, compared with films and music industry, like double combined. This just show the number of days it took the foreign games and movies to reach 1 billion in revenue. And the green lines are games and the blues are movies. At the top of the chart, there's GTA 5. GTA is the game from the Grand Theft Auto series released by Rockstar Production. It's one of our favorite games and one of our childhood games. And that game got reached to the 1 billion revenue just in a 3 days. Compared with the movie below, it's huge difference. Playing a game and making a game is not the same. Playing a game is easy, and we can just log into the game, press the play button, and then we can enjoy the game. That's all. Making game, for example, making a film, movies, and watching a movie is not same. And also, listening to a sound and writing a sound is not the same. Games are also like this. To make a game, we need many members, lots of times and budgets, and many other stuff are required to make a game, and it's not easy at all. Firstly, we need development teams. It's the most important part of the game. They are the most important part of the game. Sales and marketing team. And this team have to make the game reach to the more player, more audience with the advertising through the website application. And to decide this team responsible for making the game more popular. And they also have to make they also have to create a unique concept for their game marketing, like cosplaying events for the game and other interesting events to attract more players to their game. Finally, they tester. They also play the crucial role in making game. Tester got early access to the game before releasing the game to test out bug, glitch and other problems and issues. And then they have to report to the programmer team so that the programmer team can fix those bugs and make the game perfect before releasing it to the public. The developer team. In the developer team, producers play the crucial role, and they are the leader of the team. They have to connect to the all members, to other members of the team, and they have to manage the budget of the studio or their team. And then programmers. Without the programmers, the game will not be alive. And programmers activate the game by using code, by using different programming language to run the code. And they are the ones who make the game alive. And next we got artists. The game without art will be boring and not be attractive. So art is required for the game. Like artists' job they have to create design and character, terrain, biomes, life, environment of the in-game location, and in-game location, character models, character 3D models related to the game, and they have to make the game more realistic and colorful. Sound engineer. Without the sound and music, the game will be boring and no one would play it. So their job is to make music for the game, background music for the game, and they have to make a theme sound for the game, theme sound for the characters, and they have to improve the emotion and imagination of the players who play their game by making music. Why do I want to become a game developer? I dream to be a game developer to bring out my dream games onto the screen, sharing my imagination to other players who play my games via games. And I want to leave my mark on the world by making famous games, and I want to spread fun and joy to other players. And to sum up, games are not just a program, they're not just a line of code. They are not just a line of code. They are adaptation. They are our imagination. They are adaptation, and After all, game can entertain us when we are doing our best doing our best in our daily life game, not to be game over, to achieve the victory and the title you win. Thanks for the listening, and this is the end of the presentation.
So, how do you feel about your presentation?
I feel fine, and I didn't expect to be this confident when I was at home.
Yes, I can see that you speak very calm and very like steady. So this is a good thing. How about Olga? Do you have any questions to Kim?
What kind of game do you like to play inside
My favorite type of games are MMORPG games. I want to together with my friends roaming around the open world and having lots of.
So I can see that you want to become a game developer, right? So if you become a game developer, which type of games that do you want to develop?
The same as I answered to Bro Oka, MMORPG games with many roaming animals. Me and my friend plan to make the game. He write the story of the game, and I have drawn the character of the game. Now we only need to learn programming to make game.
Oh, that is very good. Okay, thank you so much, Nanda. Okay, good job.